Hello and welcome to my new Paint It Yourself channel, where I'm going to guide you through every step involved with painting your home. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you think this is for you, as it's really going to support my channel, and that way you can follow me and keep up to date on new videos dropping. But before you get any paint on today, I need to show you how to set up your workstation. Great, well let's grab our painting gear and let's get going. Hey guys, the first thing you need to do when you set up your workstation is to find a flat surface outside on the ground, somewhere close to where you plan on painting. Now the thing to do if you think you're going to make a bit of a mess is to set up outside on the lawn. So if you have any big paint spills, the job of cleaning up will be a lot easier. But on days like this, it would be better to set up somewhere under some cover, seeing it looks like it's about to rain. The best place to set up our workstation is in an empty garage or under a veranda, somewhere close to a door leading into the home for easy access to walk in and out. If your home is an upstairs apartment, then you will need to set up inside. The workstation needs to be located in the centre of the largest room, like a lounge room or an empty bedroom, somewhere with plenty of space so you can easily move your ladder around without knocking over your paint pots. Avoid setting up the workstation in the corner of the room or along the walls that you intend to paint. Your work tools will be likely in your way, or worse. Unfortunately, it does happen to the best of us, on the rare occasion. Here's your first pro tip. Double up your worksheets in the area where you intend on having your workstation. If you make an accidental mess, you should have a good chance of cleaning up the mess without the paint leaking through the drop sheets and marking your floor. But luckily on this job we can play it safe and set up outside near the front door. We can now lay down our drop sheets, this time in the corner of the alcove. It's clear of any door traffic, and seeing that we're not painting in this space, it won't be in anyone's way. Anyway, moving right along, make sure you wipe up any runs that have begun to run down your can of paint. Trust me, you don't want a paint covered can sticking to your drop sheet. That's not good for anyone. Overall, if any mishaps occur, they will most likely happen here, so it's far less costly to make the mess here rather than inside, because replacing carpet in your home is not a cheap exercise. Once you're all done for the day, you can then wipe away any leftover paint back into the can. Tap the lid back on nice and tight. Once the job of painting is finished, you can then pack up your painting gear and leave the area nice and clean, just as you found it. Thanks for watching guys. If you really enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up as it really supports my channel. I'm going to be super busy making more content for you to enjoy and to learn from. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Catch you later.